What's popping everyone, 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔 is coming back at you with a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel, and for you guys who are new, welcome. My name is 𝑅𝑒𝑡𝑖𝑛𝑔 and my mission is to help you guys build yourself financially and to build the empire of your life. Today, I am giving away winning products. So for January and February, these products will work really well. I've seen them do really well both on Facebook, on Instagram, and on other social media platforms. So these dropshipping products that I'm literally gonna give to you guys, I'm gonna break them down for you guys why that they are potential winners or winners already for some stores, the different factors that goes into that, and sort of like why these are working in 2019. So stay tuned, stay throughout the video, because this is definitely a lot of knowledge, a lot of great information, a lot of good products you guys can go out there and test on your store or create a new store around. But basically I'll be jumping into my computer, so let's jump straight into it. So inside of my computer right here, it's going to be a mix of me finding product live for you guys, and I've already found some which I'm going to showcase for you guys. So first of all, we're going to jump straight into it. This is one of the platforms. There is a link in the descriptions down below if you want to sign up. Something called MailBiz, something called FB Candy before, an amazing platform for, you can see, email extractor, post schedule, Instagram hashtags, winning products, finding Facebook ads, finding Shopify, a bunch of different things. But there's a link in the descriptions down below for it called MailBiz. Now go ahead and check it out. But I will sort of like analyze the winning product that they've stated, and I'm going to showcase for you guys which products that I think that you guys should go out there and test. So jumping straight into it, first off right here, straight off the bat, this is some products that they recently just added. This is one of the winning products that have been going on probably for the last couple of weeks. It's really a huge winner, and it's selling really well. It's all about the statement and sort of like the approach of the product. That's one of the things that I've been explaining a lot about in my recent videos, and the recent video I made, sort of like winning products of 2019, is that you want to sort of like differentiate yourself and separate yourself from your competitors, and one of the ways that you can do that is sort of like the message of the product, or the way that you sort of like brand it and market it, right? So there's a bunch of different things. This product is really good we got Valentine's Day coming right up, so me talking a lot about that. The idea of this product is that it's a necklace which showcases sort of like I love you in 100 different languages as far as I remember. I will link the product and hopefully the video, if I remember it, in the descriptions down below as well, so you guys can go ahead and grab the video and grab the product from Aliexpress and get going within minutes on your own store, right? But otherwise, check it down below. Otherwise, you guys can sign up for this MailBiz through the link I have in the descriptions down below as well. So, but basically this product is really great. As you can see, basically you can press this link right here and it will show us the Aliexpress product link. It has 20,000 orders. It started in late 2018 to become a winning product, and then basically it just sort of like exploded, right? So there's still a lot of potential. It might have become a bit saturated already, but you guys can go out there and test it. I know it's selling really well right now, and there's a bunch of great videos for it as well. So you guys could jump onto YouTube, grab a bunch of different YouTube videos, combine and get somebody from Fiverr combined into a new video, and then throw it out on Facebook. The importance is that you differentiate yourself with your videos too, or your marketing material, rather that be video or pictures or whatever. It's just important that it's different from everybody else's, because you often are using the same interest as 50,000, maybe 50,000 other dropshippers, right, which are testing the same product at the same time because they're watching YouTube videos like this. So when you watch this, go ahead and test these products immediately before the other people who are going to do it as well. But the importance is just to differentiate yourself from your competitors through your marketing material, the way that you do your ad copy, the way that you do your graphic works, if you're good with Photoshop, go ahead and use your experience and your skills with that, right? But basically what I was trying to say is go ahead and try to see if you can get a combined video. Maybe you get a guy on Fiverr or from Upwork to combine different ads from YouTube and Facebook into a complete new ad where you got your watermark on it. You can have them make your watermark on the video, and then that will actually be favored a lot more in the Facebook algorithm, because Facebook can see that the video is a lot different from every other dropshippers. So just a quick tip which is really important, especially in 2019. Moving on, great product, phenomenal product. That was the one right here. I will link in the descriptions down below. Hopefully I remember after I've had this edited by my video guy. But moving on, as you can see right here, if we move further down, I found this video. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. The store called Inspire Uplift. It is one of the biggest Shopify stores in the world. I think it's like on the number 5th. So the number 5th Shopify store. So I do actually think that it's the biggest dropshipping store in the world right now. But anyway, I saw that they recently added that product a couple of days ago. So it's a really, really good product, right? They are really, really great with product sourcing and choosing products. InspireUplift.com. They're enormous, right? So you definitely can learn something from them. You can also check their ads on Facebook. If you jump onto their Facebook page, go under info and ads, and then you can see which ads that they are running. Just a tip for that. But this product is really, really great. As you can see, oh, not on Alibaba. Aliexpress, there we go. So as you can see, it hasn't got that many orders yet, 689. It's actually gotten a few more, right? So Joe, this product, again, it's all about how you market it. I think there's like a disease for it, like chronic disease, but who have really like weak fingers and weak hands, so they don't have the power to sort of like open jars and stuff. And this is sort of like the approach you want to have with this product, that it is a problem solver for those, like, you know, normal people or whatever you want to call it, don't really have the biggest you know, concern about opening jars, right? Maybe sometimes you take like a towel or whatever if it's stuck, but it's not the biggest problem. But for people who have chronic disease with, you know, maybe they have less muscle power or something in their hands, this is a big game changer. And that's sort of like the brand approach, the marketing approach you want to have for that product. It's all about the sales letter, the product descriptions, as we've been talking about before, as I've been talking about before in my last video as well, 2019 winning products. So great product, this one right here, and I would definitely go ahead and test it out. Damn, but yeah, as you can see right here, it sort of like grips on and then it just comes right off compared to you need to do it yourself. It's actually a really cool product. I'm watching the video meanwhile, as you can see right here. Yeah, a phenomenal product. So definitely go ahead and test this straight off the bat. I was even probably gonna make a store for this product, gonna test it myself, and now I'm ruining the CPMs for me. But let's see who gets it to a winning product right now. But go ahead and test out. Definitely great product. I will link hopefully the video and the link to the AliExpress supply in the descriptions down below. Moving on, I have a third product that I've been thinking about as well that I found, and then we can sort of like just browse around at the other products in a minute. But one of the products that have been really huge is winter, and in 2019, you know, fall, winter still is, compared to, of course, when you're marketing, you don't want to market, it's a jacket, so you don't want to market this product to, for example, Florida, right? More like, you know, Denmark, it's snowing right now while I'm actually recording this video, you know, Sweden, United Kingdom, Canada, Alaska, stuff like that. But the product that I am trying to talk about is a teddy jacket. So I just quickly wanted to show you guys the Google Trends graph. I've been talking about Google Trends a lot. I love Google Trends, it's an amazing tool to use. But as you can see right here, if we go ahead and say the last 5 years, it's in Danish, but you'll get the point of it. As you can see right here, we had, it's still gone a bit down, but there's still a ton of money to be made from it, because often these types of jackets are fashion items. When the girls see some other popular girls or whatever wearing this specific item or this specific product or fashion item, clothing item, they want to buy it themselves, right? So for example, for one of these products, Google Shopping or Google Ads would probably work really well, because this is more of a product that people search for on Google and then jumps in and buys it. Of course, Instagram story ads that I've been talking about a lot is really huge. I do explain a lot about it in my Master Marketing Academy. Link in the description. There's free access. You can get free access 14 days. But anyway, teddy jackets. So let me jump into AliExpress so I can sort of like show you guys which product it is. But it's this product right, no, not really this one. There's a lot of them on Amazon as well, so there's a bit of like a price war right now, because it might become a bit saturated dropshipping wise. But as you can see, it's these products right here. So if you can get a specific supplier, you can write to some suppliers and say, hey, what's the best price that you can provide me with? Maybe you can get it for 10 bucks, then you can sell it for 19, and you're out competing everyone else. But it's a great product, super winning product, and it's selling really well. It's all about the product descriptions and the marketing aspect of it. So if you have a women's fashion store, test it out. That was sort of like the 3 different products that I've been thinking about, but let's just move through it. So it's amazing the way that you can sort of like just browse through these products. Of course, there's tons of products all the time, right? But as I was talking about in my last video about winning products of 2019, the importance when we're moving forward with dropshipping and you know, when we're getting further and further on, is really the way that you brand your products and the way that you differentiate yourself. Because there's so many dropshippers now that when you actually want to have products that's going to do really well, that you have products that you want to sell, but there's tons of other people doing the same, and they're stealing your videos on Facebook and all these different types of things, right? Your CPMs rises and stuff like that. So those who actually stands out in the news feed, because maybe you have, like, I don't know, for example, a teddy jacket, right? And maybe you're targeting 17 to 23-year-old females in the United States. There's probably 20,000 other stores marketing teddy jackets to them at the same time. Zalando, Zara, H&M, all these different other, you know, stores has that product as well. So it's important to stand out marketing wise, stand out brand wise, and differentiate yourself. So I was looking through some of the other products, but the importance of this video and the importance of the channel is that I'm providing you guys with products that I actually do think that could do well, and products that I would test myself. And I couldn't really find anything else that wasn't too saturated, that wasn't too good right now on the second hand. I remember the product that I actually ordered myself. I haven't gotten it home yet. I might do a review on it. If you haven't watched my video about dropshipping, I'm reviewing some dropshipping products in one of my videos. Go ahead and check it out. I'll link in the descriptions as well. But other than that, this product right here is called a ice cone scraper. So really a winning product and a problem solver, right? Because it's a lot easier if you live in a country or in a state or whatever where your windshield gets iced up. You really know the struggle with this sometimes, because the normal ones don't really fucking get the ice off the fucking windshield, which is really annoying. Or you're sort of like standing there and trying to get the freaking ice off the windshield and it won't work, right? But with this one, it's sort of like the design of it makes the ice come off easily. So I definitely recommend to go ahead and test this product out. I will link the Facebook video of it as well, and link an Aliexpress link to it in the descriptions down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was sort of like a video of January and February products you guys can go out there and test, that I know will do well, that I know have been doing well on Facebook, selling really well, and that could potentially be winning products for you too. I really hope you guys enjoyed the value and the knowledge of this video. Please go ahead and give it a like if you did. Please subscribe to become a part of the family, become a part of all of these videos and get a lot more knowledge, and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video with a lot of knowledge, a lot of value for you guys. That is my #1 priority. And as always, I hope you all have a successful and wonderful day. Bye.